చెయ్యంతే కలుభూషణాని సతతం భూషణం భూషణం. Now we'll have a puppet show. There lived a little girl, Chinni. She is living with her parents near a valley. Let us see what happened, what are the incidents happened in her life.
Today is Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. Holiday is a jolly day. Let's play. How should I play alone? I call Nimmi. Nimmi, Nimmi, where are you? Where are you, Nimmi? Hi, Chimmy. Hi, Nimmi. How are you?
I am fine. How are you, Chimmy?
Fine, Nimmi. Shall we play?
Yeah.
Yes.
We play. Let's play.
Ice cream, ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream.
Wow. Ice cream. I like ice cream. I want to buy. Bye, Nimmi.
Bye, Chimmy.
Bye. Bye bye. See you later. Amma, Amma.
What, Chinni?
What are you doing?
I'm cooking, dear.
Amma, I want 10 rupees. 10 rupees. Please give me.
What? 10 rupees?
Amma, to buy ice cream. Please, Amma.
No, Chinni. You know, ice cream is a junk food. I don't give you.
No, Amma. Please give me, Amma, 10 rupees. Only 10 rupees, Amma.
No, Chinu. Already I told you na. I won't give 10 rupees. Go. Go and do your homework.
Please, Amma. Give me, Amma, 10 rupees.
No, Chinu. I won't give you.
Please, Amma. I hate you. I hate you.
Chinu, wait. Oh.
I go to that valley. I hate you.
I hate you.
I hate you.
I hate you.
What is it? Mama.
What happened, Chini? What happened?
Mama, there is a bad girl. There is a bad girl. Mama,
What happened? What happened?
Mama, she said to me, I hate you.
Chinu, go to the place again and shout back. I love you.
No, Ma, I don't go, Ma. I don't go.
My dear, listen. Go to back and say, I love you. Go.
Okay, Ma, I go. I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
Amma. I'm very happy, Amma.
What happened?
from this? What you learned here? I don't know, Amma, but I love you, Amma. You are my good mother. Dear, listen. What you know from here is, if you love anyone, it comes back. If you hate anyone, the bad will come back. So, dear, love everyone. Okay, dear? Okay, Ma. I do.
Good, good, good. Where is the goodness? Good, good, good. Where is the goodness? It is there in our thoughts. It is there in our thoughts. Bad, bad, bad. Where is the badness? Bad, bad, bad. Where is the badness? It's also there in our thoughts. It's also there in our thoughts. Keep up good thoughts, avoid bad thoughts. Keep up good thoughts, avoid bad thoughts. Do good, be good, read good. So, be good, do good, read good. Wherever you are, wherever you are, wherever you are. Thank you all.